Alright, this is tutorial 1 from Chapter 3. Chapter 3 dealt a lot with learning the different tools. This is the final sketch, what it's supposed to look like. Let's get rid of that real quick. Alright, create a new one. Part. And then want to create a couple center lines. Go into sketch mode, pick a plane, and get your center line tool. Create a couple center lines, and the reason for this is because if we look at the sketch, it's symmetrical in two different directions. We can draw one here, double click to get rid of a chain type drawing, but keeping the tool. I can keep drawing lines there. Right click, select to be able to get out of the tool and select stuff from. So we want to look at the drawing and let's reflect over this line first. So we'll make this line here our dynamic mirror tool, or a dynamic mirror line. Tools, sketch tools, dynamic mirror. Select the line. Okay. And then we'll start just drawing the basic sketch of the shape. Pick our line tool and just something like this. Right to the origin. Select to get out of that. And now we can dimension this up a little bit, and then once we dimension it up, reflect it again over this line over onto this side over here. So what does the sketch say? 20 for right here, and let's not do the bottom one yet, just this side. 140 between this line and this line, and try to line those up. Doesn't matter. 140. Okay. So then we need to finish it. Just mirror it over. So we want to select the items we want to mirror, which would be, we don't really want to mirror the dynamic drawing lines, the construction lines, and we also want to get rid of this being a dynamic line right now. So just go, you can go to recent commands and dynamic mirror. Not really getting rid of that. There it goes. And we want to reflect over this line. So what do we want to reflect? Remember, dragging this way creates a blue, this way is a green. It's because with the green, anything it touches, it will select all of that. So it'll select this. If I do this, it'll select this construction line here. It'll select this blue line even though it's not fully selected. I don't want the construction line. I'm going to grab it with the, I'm going to extend this out a little bit first so we can see it, and then just grab the parts I want dragging from left to right, the blue, and it'll only select those. We'll mirror the entities, and then it'll ask where do you want to mirror it over. Click in there and pick a line, which we want to mirror it over that one. So boom. Okay. Finish our last dimension on the bottom with the dimension tool, which is supposed to be 160. Yep, and actually there's another dimension in between these two lines. You click in between those, and that's supposed to be 20. And right click select, and you can see it's all black, all restrained. If you really want to restrain, constrained, all the lines are constrained, you can't move them by dragging them on them accidentally. These center lines you can, but if you really want to constrain those, you can click each endpoint and fix it so that it becomes a fixed point, and that's about it. Fix, okay, fix, okay, fix. Okay. Can move this around a little. There we go.